Hello everyone, I did not think I would be making another video. I know these are not the most pleasant of videos. It's much more fun to watch young birds and people having fun with them, but I think it's important for those of us with older animals to understand various things, and seizures are very common in birds. I was hoping to capture the start of a seizure. Can you see his behaviour now? That head shake? It looks like he's fluffing, but that's not fluffing. That is an uncontrollable head shake, which is usually the onset of a seizure. And it means that your bird is already apprehensive, and whatever it is you're doing, you need to back off. I am persevering with this video because at the moment I do not think it's serious, but I will stop as soon as I see it's bad. Just so that you recognize the head shake. This is now the third time I have pretty much given up on Paddy and thought that that was the end. He was extremely clumsy yesterday if you watched my last video. And now he's relaxed with the camera. The head shakes have stopped. So there you go. That is how you can tell the start of a stress-related seizure. Yesterday I woke up and he was moving around very clumsily, so he either had a bad seizure or some sort of minor stroke. I am suspecting a minor stroke, since he was extremely clumsy moving around, and that is something that happens with the seizures. They lose some control over their movements. I mean, it is unpleasant, but he's been whistling, he's been eating. He does not seem to be in any sort of pain, so there's nothing really I feel I should do at the moment except just give him the peace. Unfortunately, this animal was already stressed after losing his companion bird. Then because of the onset of the seizures, I had to intervene, restrain him. This has made him, unsurprisingly, a bit stressed about my hand. And you know, with this situation now, I really do not see how I can press training without causing more, stress to the bird. Anyway, he's forgotten. He seems to have forgotten a couple of things. Not his whistles. He remembers all the whistles he's learned since Cody died. But he's very uncomfortable about getting to his food. He doesn't quite seem to know how to get there. And I think we're going to see another. See, that was the last. See how he reacts to the millet, because at the moment it seems to be the only thing he wants now. You want it, baby? See, he's eating, he can still get to it. But he did not. He was really confused about how to get to his food trays. Oh, no biting! See, there's still the hand problem now, which he didn't used to have before. but I would prefer it, but I'm not going to risk him being injured because I have failed to restrain him, even if it does make him not quite like me as much as he used to. Okay, have the seizures stopped now, Paddy? You're not doing those head shakes? Good. Again, apologies for not making these sort of like, the most fun videos about birds, but possibly, I think, important for those of you with older birds who might need to recognize the start of a seizure before it gets bad. There, he started off again. Okay, I'm stopping now. Take care, everyone.